I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own gummy candy. Combine gelatin, fruit juice, and sweetener in a small saucepan, whisking until smooth. Heat gently until dissolved but not boiling, then stir in flavorings and color if desired. Pour into silicone molds or a tray lined with parchment, let set at room temperature until firm, then chill briefly. Pop gummies from molds and store in an airtight container. Measure ingredients carefully for consistent texture and flavor. Use 4 tablespoon gelatin per 1 cup juice for firm gummies or reduce slightly for softer gummies. If using fresh fruit, puree and strain to remove pulp for smooth texture. Add a sweetener like honey, sugar, or agave to taste, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. For vegan gummies, substitute agar-agar but adjust heating and setting times. Store chilled and use within 1 week for best quality. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy making treats, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your countertop and keeps hands-free help nearby. It fills the kitchen with clear sound, sets timers for precise cooking, and answers recipe questions while you stir. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use silicone molds for easiest release or lightly oil metal molds to prevent sticking. Tap molds gently to release air bubbles and smooth surfaces before chilling. For layered gummies, pour first layer, chill until tacky, then add next layer. Dust gummies with a mixture of sugar and citric acid for a sour coating if desired. Keep gummies in a cool, dry place away from heat to preserve texture. Label homemade batches with date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.